It's the ongoing saga of us trying to find a decent place actually for these bloody lupins. This is just a quick little pit spot.
A pit spot?
What do you call it? Pit
spot. We can call it
you
a pit
try
spot.
We can. You try and say that.
Now it's quiet. This would be a perfect spot for a van tour. If there were lupins, no road, no planes, no people. Well, that looks bloody delicious.
Thanks. It's got all our herbs and everything in there for our inflammation. What have I got on there for fats today? Just a tiny bit of cottage.
Would we go almond? Is that a fat?
We had a coffee before, so one each. So we're just having one after lunch today. Anything you'd like to say about that, Miss
Sharing.
Kelly? Sharing is caring.
We're sharing a bit of chocolate.
And we're sharing a bit of chocolate. That is the Whittaker's Ghana. It makes such a mess everywhere that you take it out of the fridge and it just goes everywhere.
Got the Lindis next. Should be some good scenery through there.
I'm going to very quickly go over there and have a look at those lupins. Oh, I don't think Iceberg's going to fit in between there, is she? Is there a riverbed or something down here? Could have been quite a nice wee place to have stayed. It's a real little nature spot around here, isn't it? One of my favourites is the white and the pale pink. You'd be surprised if you see Daniel Boone walking along there again, actually. It's quite beautiful, but it is all murky and gooby down there. Willow trees, they always make me think of Mum now. They're telling me on one of our travels about see willow trees, water's nearby. As I say, you've been in every spot. Muddy and slippery. Real slippery. Hand out for this one.
Feel really warm, like they've absorbed the sun or something.
Really warm and what do they feel like to touch?
Soft.
Oh, you could almost rub your face on them. Building blocks just do their thing.
We were just walking back and I looked up and there's a gap in the trees and icebergs just sat there perfectly. And I said, oh, there's the shot that they've taken with the lupins and the vehicle. Alright, should we get through the Lindis? Has anyone noticed that we've been much better at checking around the vehicle? We haven't left anything. Oh, hang on, stop. We haven't left anything behind for ages.
Willie, I'm going where the buildings are taller, where the streetlights they gleam all through the night.
Much.
Willie, I'm going where I can feel smaller, where someday my dreaming will turn out alright. I can remember the morning dove calling on the 8th of December when I went away.
Isn't this amazing? The Cromwell Heritage Precinct. Is it a Sonic Lodge behind me? It's looking like it's going to be bad weather.
May I suggest that you go back that way against the GPS so we can all have a wee look around. Oh, car coming. Oh yeah, down the rail trail.
It's
Whoa,
$8.
Oh, can you back up real quick?
Doesn't look to me like they've got any. Oh, that annoys me when it does that.
Oh no, they haven't got any. Go. Okay, egg people, you need to give more notice and you need to produce more eggs. So we just need to be prepared because we know they're here. We're in Eggville.
Oh, what's this one?
Slow down. You've got this, pull in, I think. No, $5. No.
Oh, they're bantams, that's why.
Oh, hang on, don't go in the ditch.
Hell no.
Bantam eggs, although the teeny tiny ones.
Well, that's alright.
Oh, they are teeny tiny. Well, I got the thumbs up. So apparently
Yeah.
the egg yolks are the same size as a normal egg, you just get smaller white.
Look how cute they are! I'm going to have 4 of those tonight.
Have you worked out where we're going yet? We took a quick little stop off in Clyde, so you know which way we're going if we were in Cromwell. Now we're in Alex, or Alexandra, another little town that we've spent many a Christmas. We actually used to come here to go to that. They have this cool antique store, and Nana and Poppy and the rest of the family, we all drive in here and have a good ferret through the antique store. Anyway, one thing we didn't know is they've got this cool clock up on the hill. Is it the right time? 3:45? Yeah, it is. It must be a working clock.
They must have the trots here. It must be a really big
Who's
thing.
got the trots?
Oh my God.
Actually, there's an historic bridge down here. I wonder if we should have a quick look at that. If you turn towards Roxburgh, I think that will go over the bridge, but obviously we have to come back because we're not going this way. Oh, there's the old one next to it.
We were super excited about this place that we're going to. It is a very remote, very historic gold mining village, Central Otago. Apparently it's frozen in time. And it's got this blue lake loop track that you can walk around. It seems like it's suitable for swimming. And there's a Vulcan hotel or something there.
Is this the final van tour destination? There's lots of walking tracks as well. Population of 7. Oh yes, there's lots of wee walking tracks around there. Oh, there it is. Wow. It looks like it's come from the moon.
Quite a good backdrop just there, but we're on everybody's way, aren't we?
We are a little bit.
Right in the entranceway.
We're just not sure about that. Do you think this road's a goer or not a goer? How spectacular does that look though? See, I'm thinking Iceberg down there for her van tour.
Potentially work tomorrow or the next day, depending on the weather.
Exactly. Would you feel confident driving down there?
I think so. I think we've done that before. I guess you just have to be aware of that back there. I guess you can't follow it in with dirt or anything.
I suppose I should just double check it's not any worse. It's quite slick, isn't it? How cool is that? Wonder if we can get down there. AI says no, you should not drive a motorhome down to the side parking area at Blue Lake, St Bathans, due to dangerous ground conditions that are no longer safe for vehicles.
Yeah, you can see that. Look how it's all broken away there.
It does say unstable cliffs. Oh, I'm gutted.
Well,
That was my... I think I found it. We've been all up round here to look. It's just not the same.
you don't know what else you're going to see, so...
That's true. But I've seen other photos online, you know, with the reviews and that, of camper vans parked down there. So that must have been before the road got washed out or something.
Yeah. No, we've got to keep ourselves safe. And so far we've been coming across some interesting places. Let's continue our travels.
Let's go and set up camp. Don't know what's for dinner. Egg sandwich, bantam egg sandwich, a 10 egg sandwich. We'll see.
Kind of a couple of bantams, maybe 4 bantams and and a nice sandwich.
Okay, we've decided on the bantam egg sandwich tonight. Over here I've gone with the mustard, pumpkin pureed, or pumpkin smash, tomato, blue vein cheese, advo, parsley, and Louise decided to go with the tomato, cucumber, mustard and cottage cheese. Yeah.
And parsley.
Boring.
And I will have coriander, and I will put some mesclun or
Boring.
spinach.
Fun. Boring. Fun.
Healthy.
Healthy.
Keeping the fats right. There's
Tasty.
only cottage and there's avocado oil. Right, let's get on with it. Cast iron.
Oh, look, they are. The yolks are just as big as you would expect.
Cast iron's turned off.
Big. You mean 3 minis?
Yeah. Goodness.
Looks like a face. Who's got the yummiest sandwich of all? Oh, that one's creepy. That one looks like a an X-Files. I'm actually secretly pleased that we've decided together not to go down that road. We'll go and have a walk around tomorrow, but it's just not worth risking icy, otherwise we might end up on the Good Ways to Die program. Alright, catch you in the morning.
Night.
Night. We've had a lovely, relaxing morning here at St Bathans. This is the dock site, the domain, and we're going to head into town, which is just a couple of minutes up the road, and we're going to check out the town. Again, we did see it yesterday when we drove in, but we're going to have another good look, and we're going to do the loop track. So we can't wait to show you. Well, I'm disappointed. Are you disappointed we can't get down there?
Not really. I say that in the way of safety comes first.
Yeah. We
For
don't want
me.
to end up on some telly program about.
Because we've been watching those YouTube programs as well. We watched all sorts of things on there, and just that family where they didn't take enough water, and that other man and his wife and child and everything, and they are like professional four-wheel drivers, and they're in like a great big
That's right. And
Hummer almost.
rolled their vehicle.
Had like 12 wheels and everything, and all they were doing was just going along, and he just did a sharp turn and rolled in. That could have been us yesterday. So no,
Probably get a few views.
it's not about the views though, is it?
Exactly. We want to keep ourselves safe and keep Iceberg safe, but we're going to do the loop track and we're going to take the drone.
So we're going to end this episode here because we've decided that there is so much footage, so much beauty, and we want to share it with you and not rush through it all. See you in the next episode. Sending lots and lots of love to you all. As always, look after yourselves.